Do you ever feel like your day is totally normal, but when someone asks, "So, what's your daily routine?" you have no idea how to explain it in English?
Yeah, we get it. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe your whole day in clear, natural English, just like Americans do.
Stay right here. You're watching Key to Learn English. Hey guys, welcome back to Key to Learn English. I'm Sarah, and we're super excited to have you here today.
And I'm David. Today we're breaking down a really useful topic, your daily routine. We'll walk you through the morning, afternoon, and evening using simple American English that you can start using right away. All right, let's kick things off with the morning, the start of your day, the beginning of everything.
Listen carefully and try to picture the routine in your mind. This will help you learn faster. Okay, David, walk us through your morning.
Sure. So, I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. I check my phone for a minute, emails, messages, weather, just the basics. Then I get up and head straight to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and if I'm still half asleep, I take a quick shower. After that, I go to the kitchen, make a simple breakfast, usually eggs or toast, and of course, coffee. Coffee is non-negotiable. Then I get dressed and leave the house around 8 a.m. And what about you, Sarah?
My mornings are a little slower. I wake up around 7:30 a.m., open my window to get some fresh air, and drink a glass of warm water. Then I head to the bathroom, brush my teeth, take a shower, and get ready. For breakfast, I usually keep it light, maybe some yogurt, fruit, or tea. Around 9 a.m., I leave for my classes.
All right, that wraps up the morning. Let's jump into the afternoon, the busiest part of the day for most people.
Yep, work, school, meetings, all the action happens here. So, David, what's your afternoon like?
I work in an office from 9 to 5. Most of my afternoon is spent writing emails, attending meetings, and finishing up projects. At 1 p.m., I grab lunch. Sometimes I bring food from home. Sometimes I go out with coworkers. After lunch, it's back to work until the end of the day. And you, Sarah?
My afternoons are pretty busy. I teach English from 12 p.m. to around 4:30 p.m. I help students, look over assignments, and plan lessons. After my last class, I take a quick break and drink some tea.
All right. Now let's move into the evening. Finally, the time to slow down.
Yes, evening is when the whole day starts to settle. So, how's your evening, David?
I head home around 5 p.m. and take a few minutes to unwind. Sometimes I watch YouTube. Sometimes I just sit quietly. Then I do a quick workout, maybe some running or push-ups. After that, I shower and cook dinner. I keep it simple. Pasta, chicken, veggies, whatever's easy. Later, I watch a show or read a little, and I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m. And you, Sarah?
When I get home, the first thing I do is change into comfy clothes. Around 7 p.m., I cook dinner. After eating, I watch something light or call my parents. Then I plan my lessons for the next day and go to bed around 11 p.m. All right, guys, now comes the most important part of this video, the teaching section.
This is where we show you how you can explain your daily routine in natural American English. Here are the verbs Americans use all the time. Wake up, get up, brush, wash, eat, drink, go, work, study, cook, relax, watch, sleep.
Just these 12 words can explain your whole day.
Use time words to sound natural. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. At night. Around 7 a.m. Usually. Sometimes. Finally.
Example. I usually wake up around 7. Very American. Very natural.
These words make your English flow. Then, after that, next, later, finally.
Like this. I wake up at 7, then I brush my teeth. After that, I eat breakfast. Smooth and clean.
Your day has 3 easy parts. Morning, afternoon, evening. Describe each part with 3 to 4 sentences. That's all you need.
And boom, perfect daily routine. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Then I brush my teeth.
After that, I eat breakfast.
In the evening, I cook dinner and relax.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I eat breakfast and go to work. In the afternoon, I work and have lunch at 1. In the evening, I relax, cook dinner, and watch TV. Finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Perfect American English. Simple and natural. If you're still listening, you're doing great.
Keep practicing. That's how you become confident in English. Thanks for learning with us. This is Key to Learn English.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy American English lessons.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.